Alright, let's dive into the wild engineering of the engineless L-13 Blanik part glider.
Here's our pre-flight checklist for today. We're going from the macro mission right down to micro mechanics.
Built all metal, this thing literally slices through the air, handling everything from basic training to full-on aerobatics.
No engine, no problem. To command the sky, it relies on a massive 16.2-meter wingspan.
And get this, purely through aerodynamics, it hits a blistering top speed of 253 kilometers per hour.
But speed is just half the story. The real magic is its crazy glide ratio of 28.
Meaning for every single meter it drops, it shoots 28 meters forward. Pure aerodynamic magic, right?
Yet, it's super stable. The stall speed drops safely down to just 55 kilometers per hour.
Let's X-ray the fuselage. That sleek exterior actually hides a super light, semi-monocoque aluminum alloy skeleton. Inside, 15 main frames distribute the weight perfectly, creating a rock-solid floor for the pilots.
Moving back, frames 14 and 15 anchor the tail, taking on massive aerodynamic stress mid-flight.
Now into the command center. The tandem cockpit features this really complex three-part hinged canopy.
In an emergency, just crank the lever 160 degrees, cable snap, pins release, and bam, canopy flies off. Finally, lifting surfaces. These single-spar duralumin wings are what keep this 494-kilogram beast up there. They use specialized airfoils, slotted flaps, and spoiler-like interceptors to masterfully control lift and drag. So how does precise engineering turn a metal skeleton into an engineless master of the sky? Think about that next time you look up. Thanks for tuning into this explainer. Keep exploring.